Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet rainbow keychain. For this rainbow keychain, we will need 3mm crochet hook, scissors, some toy filling, and 8 different yarn colors. I've been using purple, blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, and red. That's up to you. You can mix the colors, you can use different colors. As this project, this crochet rainbow keyring is very good for yarn leftovers, as it doesn't require a lot of yarn, but it looks beautiful. So keep watching and you will see how to make this beautiful crochet rainbow keyring. In first round, we are going to start with purple yarn and 6 single crochets into magic ring. Let's do our magic ring first. And 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Now we're going to pull this yarn end to make it a nice circle. And now we're going to cut our purple yarn off. In round 2, we are going to work with blue yarn. We're going to attach our blue yarn, and in round 2 we are going to do increase in each stitch, so it will be 6 increases and it will be 12 single crochets in our round. Let's attach our blue yarn. And let's do increase in each stitch. It will be 6 increases. Increase 1, increase 2, increase 3, increase 4, increase 5, and increase 6. We finished round number 2 and now we have 12 single crochets in our round. We're going to cut blue yarn off. I'm going to take 2 ends from previous round and make a knot to make sure it doesn't become loose. I'm gonna make 2 knots, 1 and 2. I'm moving to round 3, and for round 3 I'm going to use light blue yarn, and in round 3 we are going to follow the sequence of single crochet in next stitch and increase in the following stitch, and we're going to repeat that sequence. We're going to repeat that sequence for 6 times, and we're going to have 18 stitches in our round. So let's attach our light blue yarn, and we're going to follow the sequence of single crochet in one stitch and increase in the following stitch. So single crochet in one stitch and increase in the following stitch. Repeat the same sequence for 5 more times. We finished our round number 3 and we have 18 stitches in our round. We're going to cut light blue yarn off. We're going to tie our ends from the beginning of the round so they don't become loose. I usually just make 2 knots. That's how our back side looks like, and that's how our front side looks like. We are moving to round number 4 now, and in round number 4 we are going to use green yarn, and we're going to follow the sequence of single crochet next 2 stitches and then increase. We're going to repeat that sequence for 6 times, and we're going to have 24 stitches in our round. Let's attach our green yarn. And let's follow our sequence. Single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then increase in the following stitch. Now let's repeat the same sequence for 5 more times. We finished our round number 4, and we're going to cut our green yarn off. I'm going to tie ends from the beginning of our round, green with light blue. We are moving to round number 5, and in round number 5 we are going to use yellow yarn. Let's attach our yellow yarn, and we're going to follow the sequence of single crochet in next 3 stitches and then increase. We're going to repeat this sequence for 6 times, and we're going to have 30 stitches at the end of our round. Let's do first sequence together. Single crochet in next 3 stitches and increase. 1, 2, 3, and increase. Now repeat the same sequence for 5 more times. We finished our round number 5, and now we have 30 stitches in our round. Let's cut our yellow yarn off. Let's tie our ends from the beginning of the round. Now we are moving to round number 6, and in round number 6 we're going to use orange yarn, and we're going to follow the sequence of single crochet in next 4 stitches and then increase. We're going to repeat it for 6 times, and we're going to end up with 36 stitches in our round. Let's attach our orange yarn, and let's do first sequence together. Single crochet in next 4 stitches and increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then increase. Repeat the same sequence till the end of our round number 6. We finished our round number 6 and we have 36 stitches in our round now. Let's cut our orange yarn off and let's tie our yarn ends from the beginning of the round. That's how our rainbow keyring looks now. We are moving to our round number 7, and in round number 7 we are going to use pink yarn. We're going to attach our pink yarn and we're going to follow the sequence of single crochet in next 5 stitches and then increase. And we're going to repeat that sequence for 6 times, and we're going to have 42 stitches at the end of our round 7. Let's do first sequence together. Single crochet in next 5 stitches and increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then increase. And now repeat the same sequence for 5 more times till the end of our round number 7. We finished our round number 7 and now we have 42 stitches in our round. Let's cut our pink yarn off. Let's tie our yarn from the round beginning. Let's make 2 knots. And now we are moving to last round of our rainbow keyring. For last round we are going to use red yarn. Let's attach our red yarn and we're going to follow the sequence of single crochet in next 6 stitches and then increase. We're going to repeat the sequence for 6 times and we're going to have 48 stitches at the end of our round number 8. Let's do first sequence together. Single crochet in next 6 stitches and increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and increase. Repeat the same sequence for 5 more times till the end of our round. So we have now 8 rounds in our rainbow keyring with 48 stitches in round in total. Our next step will be now tying both ends from the beginning of our round to make sure they're not becoming loose in the future. And then now we will have to fold our rainbow in half, both side and side. like that. And we're going to single crochet in each stitch. We're going to single crochet to the middle, approximately 12 single crochets. We are in the middle now. We're going to make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to cut our yarn off, but we have to make sure that we have long enough end to finish slip stitching till the end of our round. I'm cutting the yarn off. I'm taking my keychain now and attaching to middle of that chain 3. You can see now it's attached, and now carry on single crocheting till the end of our round. We're almost coming to the end. You need to decide, do you want to stuff it a bit more? I'm going to stuff it a bit more with toy filling. And I will finish single crocheting now. Going to finish it off. And I'm going to stick red yarn inside. And cut it off. And our beautiful rainbow keyring is done. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, how to make this beautiful crochet rainbow keyring. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please subscribe to my channel where you can find more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.